Secure Drone Mailbox. This is a package on our platform. This is the Raspberry Pi camera and speaker setup, which runs computer vision as well as a number of other things to determine when the package is on the platform. This is our iOS app, which is linked up to the drone via the DJI SDK. This is a live stream coming from the drone, which we can also stream live to an RTMP server. So our system operates in 4 stages. The first is defined by when the drone sends an MQTT communication to the server. It says inbound, and when the Raspberry Pi listens to the MQTT, when it sees inbound, it launches its camera and waits for its the drone's next communication, which would be landing request. And then the user gets a notification that the package is on its way. In the second step, the drone sends a communication to the MQTT server saying landing request. And when this happens, the platform calibrates the region of interest, which is just a rectangle around the platform. And then if something changes in the ROI, it identifies that the platform is obstructed, and it sends that to the drone. And if it's unobstructed, it sends it as well. At this stage, the platform also creates the one-time password, which then it stores in the real-time Firebase database, and it waits for the drone to specify that it's landing for the next step. Next, the drone sends the status landing to the MQTT server, and the platform stops recording on the camera, and it waits for the next MQTT communication, which would be delivered. And then in the final step, once the drone sends the delivered command to the server, this command causes the platform to turn the camera back on, and it uses the calibrated image from before to calculate whether there's a package on the platform. So if there is a package on the platform, it takes a photo and sends it to Firebase storage. If it doesn't, it does the same thing with a slightly different notification to the user. But so as far as the user is concerned, the user gets a notification that the package is delivered. They get the one-time password for them to enter and a photo of the package when it arrives. Ideally, the user enters the one-time password in order to take the package, but if the package is taken with or without the one-time password, the user will see that they'll get a notification that the package was taken without the one-time password, and they'll get a picture of the theft. Once something, whether it's the package was delivered appropriately or whether the package was stolen, the loop actually starts over again and we go back to step 1. And if the package disappears, having appeared initially, the platform will actually play a siren and take a photo of the theft as it happens, and then it sends the photo to Firebase storage, which then eventually the user can see. And that is generally how our system works.